Good morning everyone. How are you all? I am Rupal ma'am. So today we are going to do an activity related to number 3. But before we do the activity, we will revise what we have learned yesterday. So are you all ready for it? Yes? Okay, let's get started. Which number is this? This is number 1. This is number 1. Very good. Straight line down. This is number 1. Which number is this? This is number 2. This is number 2. Half a circle and a slant down and then a sleeping line. This is number 2. Which number is this? This is number 3. This is number 3. Around and around, just like a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Now let's start with the activity. Oh my God, everything is so messed up here. So let's put everything in its proper place. So let's put the glasses. Then we will put the spoon together in one group. Then we have these tomatoes. We will keep the tomatoes here. Then we have pencils. We will put the pencils. These are scissors. So I will keep the scissors here. I have some erasers and some sharpeners. Wow, now it is looking neat and clean. So let's count everything. Now we'll start the counting, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 glasses. How many glasses? 3 glasses. Now let's count the spoons. 1, 2, 3. 3 spoons. 3 spoons. Let's count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes. 3 tomatoes. Let's count the scissors. 1, 2, 3. 3 scissors. Now we'll count the pencils. 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Let's count the erasers. 1, 2, 3. 3 erasers. And 3 sharpeners. 1, 2, 3. 3 sharpeners. Friends, you can also do this activity at home by counting different objects around you. Okay children, now it's time to do the worksheet. Are you ready for it? This is your first worksheet. How many cups do you see? 1, 2, 3. You have to color these cups with your favorite colors. You can tell your mama to draw 3 cups on a paper and then you can color it. Now, this worksheet says, count the objects and circle the correct number. In the first picture, how many ice cream cones do you see? 1, 2. So we will circle number 2. Hope you all had fun. We'll meet again soon. Bye bye. Be safe. Thank you.